Yo, what's up everybody, it's AB and let's talk AI. Now, AI is everywhere these days, phones, cars, even your fridge. It's learning, it's adapting, it's honestly kind of freaking some people out. But look, I love AI. It's smart, efficient, and sometimes even surprising. But let's be real, it's not coming for your job anytime soon. We're gonna break down the limitations of AI, the things that make us uniquely human, and why that's actually a good thing. So whether you're an AI enthusiast or just trying to figure out if your toaster is going to stage a coup, stick around. First up, let's talk about feelings. Imagine your therapist is a robot. You pour your heart out and it responds, processing sadness, please wait. Not exactly the warm and fuzzy feeling you're looking for, right? AI can process information. It can even mimic human conversation, but true empathy? That's a whole other level. Think about teachers, social workers, leaders, jobs that require connecting with people on a deeper level. Sure, AI can grade your papers, but can it inspire you to pursue your passions? I don't think so. Next up, let's talk about oversight. AI is great with data, it can find patterns we wouldn't even think to look for. But here's the thing, it needs context. You wouldn't want an AI surgeon operating without a human surgeon present, right? Or an AI lawyer arguing a case without a human lawyer's guidance. Humans provide the common sense, the ethical considerations, the weight that doesn't sound right that AI, in all its data-driven glory, just doesn't have. We're the ones who set the goals, define the parameters, and make sure things don't go completely off the rails. We're the ones who can say, okay, AI, you've designed a self-driving car that can go 200 miles per hour. But maybe we should stick to the speed limit. Chapter 3, AI plus human, the dream team. Now, before you think I'm anti-AI, let me be clear, I'm not. AI has the potential to be incredible, but not as a replacement for humans, as our partner. A doctor uses AI to analyze medical images, helping to detect diseases earlier. But it's still the doctor who talks to the patient and provides comfort. Or take architecture. AI can generate designs, but the architect understands the client's vision and the art of creating something beautiful. AI augments our abilities, it doesn't replace them. It's like having a superpowered assistant handling tedious tasks, so we can focus on connecting, creating, and innovating. Chapter 4, AI versus surprise parties, a cautionary tale. Here's the thing about AI, it loves structure, it thrives on data, on predictable patterns, on following the rules. But life is messy, life is unpredictable, life is full of surprises, literally. Imagine this. You're throwing a surprise party for your friend. You've got balloons, cake, the whole 9 yards. But then, you bring in your trusty AI assistant to help with the festivities. Suddenly the music stops, the lights flicker, and the AI lets out a robotic gasp. Unexpected confetti detected. System error. AI struggles with situations that deviate from the script. It can't adapt on the fly, it can't improvise, it can't handle the unexpected beauty of human chaos, and that's okay because we can. Chapter 5, Creativity, the Human Advantage. Let's talk about creativity. AI can create art, music, and more, but it follows algorithms, analyzes data, it doesn't feel joy or thrill. Creativity, intuition, innovation, these make us human. They drive us to explore and experiment. AI can't replicate that spark. Outrode the future of AI, a collaboration, not a competition. So, where does this leave us? Are we on the verge of an AI apocalypse? Nah, I don't think so. AI is powerful, no doubt, but it's not your replacement, it's your partner. It's here to make your life easier, not take it over. Think of it like this. AI is a tool, a really, really cool tool. And like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans and AI working together to create something amazing. So relax, enjoy the ride, and maybe teach your AI to make a better steak dinner. And hey, if you're Team Human, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos on the future of tech.